Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to accept claim gifts on Steam. So for that you have to know the legitimate way. So the legitimate way to claim gifts on the Steam is you can just log into Steam, navigate your inventory, and then to your gift story, locate the gift you want to accept and click the accept gift button. So here's a more detailed breakdown. Like accessing your inventory, you have to open Steam and log into your account, click your username in the top left corner, select inventory from the drop down menu, and then find your gifts. So look for the view gift story option, usually in the top right corner, and this will display a list of any gifts waiting to be accepted. So about accepting the gifts, locate the gift you wish to accept, click the accept button next to the gift, and you may then be prompted to add the gift to your library. Adding to library is optional, like click add to my library and add the game to your game library. You can now access and play it from your library. So that's it. Hope you find this video informative, and till the next video.